Hey, Alyssa LeBlanc here. Today you're going to follow along with me while I try to make the ultimate venison ribs. Venison ribs, as you may know, aren't the easiest things to work with. They're tough, they're thin, and they can dry out and overcook very easily. So I'm going to use every tool and gadget I have to try and make the best venison ribs. All right, thank you guys so much for following along. Haven't tasted these yet, so I will give you my honest opinion. All right, let's dig in. There's actually a smoke ring on here, so that's nice. Yeah. Falling apart actually. Well, it is quite delicious. Honest opinion, the best venison rib I ever had. Can I do better? Maybe. The perfectionist in me says yes. But there is absolutely nothing wrong with these. Maybe next time I would experiment more with sous vide time. Maybe like I would try 36 hours opposed to 24. But these are tender. You get the taste of the smoke in there. They're quite delicious. Give it a try.